I'll do a quick review of the 60 volt max Dewalt leaf blower. They are very nice, very powerful compared to the steel. You have these at work. Right here is where you change the power of it. There's your battery life. There's the trigger. Here is the lock and unlock. Very powerful blower. That's the Dewalt 60 volt max. It is brushless. It does carry these big old batteries. These are nice. You look on this side, you can press this button. It's got 3 bars. There's the battery meter up there. We use these a lot at work. They are really good blowers. Does come with different adapter, kind of more of a sweeping motion adapter. Does not use the 20 volt Dewalt batteries like the 20 volt blower down there. It can use the flex volt, the 60 volt big batteries. This can only use 60 volt. There is a little notch on them. We don't use these in the tunnel just because it does create sparks, even though it's brushless. The dust is too much of a risk. They are 63 dBA for the noise, so about as loud as an inverter. It's the DCBL777 blower is the model number. Attachment right here just comes on and off. There's a little clip on the bottom. These are great little blowers. You can blow about anything. Almost as powerful as my Echo backpack blower. Very simple to charge. This one is charging complete. You have the 2 red lights. Stage 2, this will just stay solid, and if this one is flashing, stage 1, so it's just starting it to charge. They do get cold or hot, the batteries, then it seems not to work. Put them on the charger. It does have little bolt holes right here, I believe, for the strap. Not quite for sure, I need to look that up. Very nice all-around blower. It's the Dewalt 60 volt max 777.